So I found an impressive AI tool that will not only save you money but also make you money. Now, if you're trying to make money on the internet and you're trying to sell products, whether physical product, digital product, or even dropshipping, then for you to succeed, you need a good product picture. Most of the people that fail in this line of business is because they don't have the right packaging. And once it has to do with online, you have to package right. And to do that, you need professional studio quality product pictures. But the problem here is not everybody can afford that because studio photo sessions are quite expensive, and that is where iPhoto.ai comes in. It's going to save you money that you would have spent on a photo session, and not just that, you can also use the platform to make money. Now, all you have to do is open your browser and visit iPhoto.ai. And now that it has opened, the next thing you're going to do is to click on Start Free Trial Now. So now that we're here, we're going to be focusing on this AI photo shoot, but there are a lot of options that you can choose from here that are amazing. Like this one is color change. It can change the color of any product. As you can see here, you can change the color of any product, so you don't have to take multiple pictures of your product. And then here is enhance. If you have blurry or pixelated pictures, this is where you're going to enhance it to 4K. Now, how cool is this? And of course, background remover. You don't need to start paying for Canva background remover. You can just come over here and remove all your backgrounds totally for free. And again, the face swap. Now this, we're going to come back to this much later because I want to point out something amazing for you. Please don't go anywhere. And again, there is AI fashion model, AI background, cleanup, and the one I love most is recopyright. If you're using pictures you downloaded from the internet to produce your YouTube videos or your Facebook videos, or you want to use it for any project whatsoever to run away from copyright, you can use this platform to recopyright the picture. So what it's going to do is it's going to remove everything that is copyrighted in the picture while still maintaining the real original picture. You can see how it transformed this branded picture to an unbranded picture. So you can go ahead and use this one and you will never have any copyright issues. So now let's jump right into AI photo shoot, which is going to blow your mind. So now all you have to do here is to upload your image. So you just take a picture of your product. It could be anything like this, my gold bar. You can go ahead and take the picture with your phone and then upload it on this platform. So we're going to select a random picture like this. Okay, we're going to select a random picture from my device. So you can see how boring this picture is. Wait until I transform it. So all you have to do here is to scan through the options that you have here. Now there's a lot of background options to choose here. There is studio, there is pedestal, there is tabletop, there is living room, there is children, there is art, there is skill, there is silk, there's forest. So let's go ahead and randomly select one and see how it goes. So let's go ahead and select this one, and you're going to place the picture how you want it. You can see it has automatically removed the background perfectly without leaving any blemish. So here you can increase the product as you want and then place it neatly where you want it to go. And then the next thing you're going to do is to click on generate photo, and it's going to merge the photo together, add shadows, and make it look so realistic, super realistic. And voila, you can see that it has done an amazing job, and you can see how realistic this looks. You can see that it added a shadow here, making it look as if it's real, 100% real. Now, how cool is this? So let's try the pedestal this time. You click on see all, and then you have a lot of options to choose from. So we're just going to randomly select anyone, just about anyone. Let's go ahead and try out this one and see how it goes. And here you have it. All you have to do is to place the picture, your product picture, where you want it to be. Let's go ahead and reduce it a little bit so that it can fit in properly. So we have this like so. So now that we have it placed nicely, the next thing we're going to do is to click on generate photo, and it's going to do its magic in less than 2 seconds. And here you can see it has generated an awesome photo studio quality picture for us. Now, how cool is this? Now, if you look at the before picture, let's go ahead and compare the before and after and see how this looks. You can see how amazing. So you can see if you're selling these products with this picture, you're going to be making a lot of money. And again, if you're offering this service on Fiverr, anybody that you deliver this thing to is going to give you 5-star rating, and the person is going to come back to you. Now, how cool is this? So now let me quickly show you how the face swap works. So if you come over here and click on face swap, and then you're going to see either you want female face or male face. So all you have to do next is to click on re-upload. So we're going to be re-uploading our picture. But again, if you want to download this, now that we are done with this, to download it, all you have to do is to click on download, and then it's going to download straight to your device. So now let's go ahead and upload our picture that we want to change the face. Then let's go ahead and select this picture. And then the next thing you're going to do is to select any face that you want to swap the face to. So we're selecting this one, and see the magic it's going to create for us.
2 seconds later.
And here you can see that it has swapped the face successfully. Now, how cool is this? I'm going to be leaving the link to this platform in the description of this video, and I'm also going to be pinning it in the comment section. So go ahead and try it out and thank me later. I can't wait to see the amazing creations you're going to generate with this platform. And here is the next video that I recommend that you watch on this channel to learn more ways you can make money from the comfort of your home. Now, see you on the other side. Ciao.